This is a 3. 3 open. Yeah, because I'm just going around cleaning up the area right underneath where I'm gonna start doing the blend into the top. And now I'm gonna take my trimmer and I'm gonna go in and start my guideline, my first initial guideline. I don't like to put in a hard line, so what I'll do is I'll just go to where I wanna be, just give myself a rough draft, getting it high, so you want it past that C cup area. Next for it to drop in the back a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with my clipper, no guard, open. And I'm gonna go right in underneath that bald guideline. Just about a ½ inch. I'm gonna stretch the blend. I don't wanna bring up the blend too tight. I'm gonna bring them over here to this other side. Mark my guideline on this side. Come back this way. And over here. And now I'm gonna go in with my 1.5, or my, I guess I'll go in with my 2. Start fading down. And clipper's always open, it gives you a little bit more wiggle room. Now I'm gonna go in with a 1.5 right underneath this line. And I don't wanna go any higher than this 1.5. So I already went in with the 2 and I'm just trying to take that line out. And now I'm gonna go try to start taking this line, but I'm gonna do it open. In case I missed any high spots from before. I'm gonna close it twice. That line right underneath that. I'm still going in with the no guard lever play. And I just threw the 1 back on, just kind of clean up all that bulk right here in the front. I'm gonna hit this part right here with my scissors. I don't want to stay there for too long either, so kind of just tap and go. I'm gonna take all that hair off from the back of his head. I'm gonna get this area with the shaver too, so it'll be a little smoother. But also, what I like to do as a barber is I like to ask my client if they want it smooth or is it okay bald stubble.
Gotcha. Smooth.
Smooth, gotcha. And then now I'll go behind the shaver, because not a lot of people can take that shaver on the back of their head. Yeah, it'll snow up here sometimes. Frost on the windshield.
You've been in Florida your whole life? Is that the DR?
Yeah, well, no. My dad is from DR, and I was born in New York.
Okay.
And I'm gonna go in with a 6 guard. Knock the sides down. my 2 guard. And what I do is I kind of go this way with it to kind of go with the shape of his face. So I'll go scoop it in underneath. And I go the other way. I don't really have to touch that blend other than, with my thinning shears kind of bringing it down. No guard open. I'm gonna go right here. Blend that out. I'm gonna go in my 1.5, right underneath that one. Close it. I'm gonna go with my 1. Close it. And then I'm not gonna throw a half guard on because with the clipper open like that, it's already a half guard. I just blend that dog line out. Now I'm just using my thinning shears, kind of just going in that mustache to make sure it blends in. You don't want to go in here too much though, because then you make it look like you got no mustache. We don't want that. Just gonna do the bottom of his lip. And then you want it right to the lip, right?
A little bit of both.
Did you want me to line up the top of it as well?
Yeah.
Can I bring it up down? What I like to do is I just like to show the mirror from me, make sure everything's all lined up, perfect. And you still want the front a little longer than the back, right?
A little bit.
Start in the middle, all the way down, point cut. Since the front is going to be a little longer than the back. Back, go back, see my old guideline. just cross-checking, make sure everything's all even. Don't hit that too heavy because then you're gonna start putting notches in it.
Yep. What kind of product do you recommend for this type of hair?
If you want to kind of keep it in the state that it's in, I would recommend some texturizing spray, some sea salt spray.
Okay.
And all you gotta do is just spray it in there. You can either let it dry naturally or just hit it with the hair dryer. Do you want me to put some in?
That'd be great.
All right, so what I like to do is I kind of like to just mess my hair up, spray it as I go, mess it all up, make sure it's all in there. You don't need a lot because it spreads around pretty good. And you don't want to sit with the hair dryer forever either. And then what to do it low. Just kind of run your fingers through your hair. Basically just playing with it. Starts to dry up and get more stiff. And I like just, I don't have a wide tooth, but something a little wider than what I'm about to use. Just kind of just sculpt it the way you want it.
Okay.
And then what I like to do too at the end, kind of tie everything together. All I like to do is put it on cold and set it cold.
Okay.